Hello, my friend. Now let me introduce our rolling machine for the upright. And you can see we have the different rolling machine for the upright. And it's working now. This is a rolling machine for the upright 19 and 17. The thickness is 2 millimeter. Okay, we can come to a screen. And this is rolling machine for rolling the galvanic reel for the radio shuttle rocking reel. And the thickness is we have what 2.5 millimeter, and we also have another type is 2.75 millimeters. Now our workers start working on the rolling machine, um, rolling the upright of 19 and 17. As we see, as we come close and see, okay, come here. It is about 7 meters high. So once it finish rolling, there is about 22, it's about 22% finish the rolling, and so there are some different findings. One, one, for example, one is one it is 7 meters high, so it is 40. Okay, you put the upright on one side. The, for this model, is about the pitch is 75, and the upright size is 19 and 17. Thickness is 2 millimeters. Okay. So you can see also the small roller machine. That roller machine is for the light duty upright. The upright size is 15.5 and 58. Thickness we have 0.8 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 1.2 millimeter, and also 1.5 millimeters.